Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy David from Pen Daily. So, we have in our hands the newly released Redmi K20 Pro. It's a very interesting box. This is an already open box when we got it, but either way, the phone should be in pristine condition. Like this little logo they have over here, it's kind of cool. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and open it up and show you guys. Whoa, here we go. Bop! All right. They have that little guy here too. Okay, this is probably, look at this. The Redmi K20 Pro, guys. This is probably our jelly case in here. Let's take a look. Yep, that's our jelly case. Oh, it's not a jelly case actually. This is a hard shell case. And it's a matte black finish. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's put this on the side for now. We'll have the matte case sitting right here. And let's take out the phone. Oh, look at this. Over here so you guys can see that screen. Oh, look at that. So we have the Glacier blue in our hands. Here we go. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna peel off this back sticker as well. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. I love this new design that Redmi is going with. Look at that cool, like fiery pattern that they have on the side. It looks really, really nice. Triple camera setup with a 40 megapixel Sony IMX586. It says designed by Xiaomi over here on the side. This looks really, really nice, and it's like really good to hold too. So it's running MIUI 10 and it's running a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, and it's also got a 4000 milliamp hour battery with 27 watt fast charge. So we will be testing that later on, but for now, that's about it. And let's see, does it have a headphone jack? Oh, it does have a headphone jack right up here. Perfect. And this is that pop-up camera right here. Can't really show you guys right now because I have to set up the phone, but either way, let me give you guys one last look of this beautiful thing. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and I forgot, here's the charging cable and the charger. K20 Pro, guys. Stay tuned for our review later on.